Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we are going to learn the pronoun y and en. So we saw the direct object pronoun, we saw the indirect object pronoun. Today we see y and en, and tomorrow we are going to learn how to use them all together. In the book we are going from page 209 to 214. As usual, you can join me on Instagram for a little quiz after this lesson. So as I said, we are going to learn y and en. But first, we are going to focus on y. We can use y for two different types of sentences. For places and for things. Let's start first for places. For places, we'll mostly find y to replace a group of words starting with the prepositions à, en, dans, et chez. So as you know, all the pronouns that we have seen so far, they're all going to be before the verb. Y is no exception. So we have subject, y, and then the verb. So let's see an example for each preposition. On est au magasin. On est au magasin. So au magasin is going to be replaced by y. On y est. On y est. Okay? Before the verb. On y est. With en, je vais en France ce week-end. Je vais en France ce week-end. We are going to replace en France with y. Je vais en France ce week-end. J'y vais. J'y vais ce week-end. J'y vais ce week-end. With dans, est-ce qu'il est dans sa chambre? Est-ce qu'il est dans sa chambre? Dans sa chambre becomes y. So if you answer the question, we have oui, il y est. Oui, il y est. And chez, we have elle est chez le docteur. Elle est chez le docteur. Elle y est. Elle y est. Okay? You can pause the video and do the exercise 4.10. Now for things. For things, we are going to replace a group of words starting with the preposition à once again. So do you remember the preposition à can be à, au, à l'apostrophe, à la, etc. Not etc. That's it. That's what we are going to replace with y. And once again, it's all about the verbs taking the preposition à. It's all about them. For example, if we look at penser à, je pense à mes vacances, je pense à mes vacances. À mes vacances can be replaced by y. J'y pense. J'y pense. Another one, réfléchir à. Réfléchir à. Je vais réfléchir à cela. Je vais réfléchir à cela. À cela can be replaced by y, so je vais y réfléchir. Je vais y réfléchir. Very common one, jouer à. Jouer à. Il joue au football. Il joue au football. Au football will be replaced by y, so we have ils y jouent. Ils y jouent. You can find a complete list of verbs followed by the preposition à in the book, page 101. We also have expression that we use with y. You already know probably one of them. We have il y a, there is, there are, and also vas-y, allons-y. So let's go. Vas-y, allons-y. Now you can do the exercise 4.11. Next point, the pronoun en. So we just saw that y is used to replace places and a group of words starting with the preposition à. For en, it's all about de. It can be the preposition de, an expression of quantity, because an expression of quantity is usually followed by de, and also the partitive articles. So de, du, de la, de. It's all about that. So we are going to have subject plus en plus verbe. So let's see a few sentences. We have est-ce que tu as du lait? Est-ce que tu as du lait? Oui, j'en ai. Oui, j'en ai. So du lait is going to be replaced by en. Oui, j'en ai. Elle boit de l'eau. Elle boit de l'eau. De l'eau is going to be replaced by en. Elle en boit. Elle en boit. One with an expression of quantity. Tu as beaucoup d'argent. Tu as beaucoup d'argent. You have a lot of money. And here it's very special because we are going to replace d'argent, but we keep beaucoup. So it becomes tu en as beaucoup. Tu en as beaucoup. We keep the expression of quantity and we put it at the end of the sentence. Tu en as beaucoup. Same for quantity with numbers. J'ai deux verres. J'ai deux verres becomes j'en ai deux. J'en ai deux. Okay? So you keep the expression of quantity, always. J'en ai deux. Just like for Y when we saw the verbs taking a, we have verbs taking de. One of the most common one, avoir besoin de. Avoir besoin de. J'ai besoin de temps. I need time. J'ai besoin de temps. J'en ai besoin. J'en ai besoin. Avoir envie de. Avoir envie de. Elle a envie de chocolat. Elle a envie de chocolat. De chocolat is going to be replaced by en. Elle en a envie. Elle en a envie. S'occuper de. We haven't seen a reflexive verb for a while, so that's good. S'occuper de. Il s'occupe de ce problème. Il s'occupe de ce problème. Comes. Il s'en occupe. Il s'en occupe. Next one. Parler de. Parler de. Elle parle de ses recettes. Elle parle de ses recettes. De ses recettes is going to be replaced by en. Elle en parle. Elle en parle. You have more examples in the book. You have manger de, sortir de, and donner de. And you can do the exercise 4.12. We saw a few expressions with Y. We also have a few expressions with en. J'en ai marre, j'en ai assez. J'en ai marre, j'en ai assez. Because en avoir marre, en avoir assez de. Je m'en moque, je m'en fous. Je m'en moque, je m'en fous. Je m'en vais. Je m'en vais. This one, aller doesn't take a de, but this is how it is. Je m'en vais. And ne t'en fais pas. Ne t'en fais pas. Ne t'en fais pas. Don't worry. 3 more. Je suis en route. Je suis en route. Je suis en train de. Je suis en train de. Or, qu'est-ce que tu en penses? Qu'est-ce que tu en penses? What do you think of it? Exercise 4.13. That's it for today. Tomorrow we are going to learn how to use all the pronouns together. So I will see you tomorrow. À demain.